Shoot on the rope. I can't really see you.
Oh, I wanted to hang upside down again. Start going crazy. Hang upside down.
And they're all on top. You have 4 in there.
Do something, Missy.
2 and 2.
Isn't she so cute?
Did you get her?
Yeah.
Videotaping her?
Yeah, I'm recording her.
Look, I can't see her face though. It's too much.
Oh, there she is.
She's like, what's going on?
What are these people doing?
I wanted to go upside down again. That was really funny.
Do something.
Oh, there you go. Oh, do something. I hope you grab herself.
It's a girl, remember, Mom? I wanted to hang upside down again. I missed that on my camera.
Hey, pretty.
Isn't she so cute, though? Don't you want her?
Yeah.
How cool is that? Jeez. Just rolling around.
You're funny.
Mama, I want it.
How much is it? There's like no price.
That's what. Oh, that's your butt, you camera.
I thought she was gonna do a hand, just gonna do a headstand.
Oh, got your butt. Oh, you didn't need to take that one.
Where'd you just take a picture of?
I'm just too close up.
Don't put your hands in there.
We are so easily amused. This is kind of sad. Dude, I have...
She slides across the floor.
I know, it's so funny. Dude, I have like over 2 minutes worth of this monkey on my camera. I know, she's like the cutest thing ever.
Oh crap, that came home with me.
How did you price? I don't know how much it is.
She was sliding around the floor earlier, like just gliding around.
I totally want to ask how much she is.
Do it.
I mean, alright, where's the people though?
Do not let the monkey touch your hands. Well, how can she touch your hands?
Maybe there's like holes in the side or like...
Look at it.
I don't see any.
Oh, maybe before, Mom,
Did you see that? Look.
Mom, maybe before this was open a little bit or something, because it's got a lot of tape over it now. Hey, your big head's in my way of the monkey.
Look at her sitting
I wanted to grab it and bounce. How funny would that be? Look how she slides. It's so funny. Look at that.
I want to get a job here so I sit and watch it.
I know. I've been recording this thing for like 3 minutes. It's really funny. She was hanging upside down earlier.
You didn't let me take her on a plane. Take her home.
What?
Cover my backpack. She's $10,000.
Oh my goodness.
serious.
That would be totally worth it though.
Yeah. My luck, I'd get her home when she'd die.
I know. Yeah, but how heartbreaking would it be?
Wait, look at her, Mom. Look, Mom. Mom. She's like trying to go in there.
Because she's like a baby.
What's this little thing?
A ferret, I think.
Oh, it's a baby ferret.
Mom, she doesn't like that you're not paying attention to her. Mom, she doesn't like that you're not paying attention to her. She was staring at you eating her tail and stuff, trying to get you to come back. Alright.
She stuck her tongue out like this.
Quit scratching and do
Your
something
butt.
funny again.
What's on your butt? You got fleas? Look at her ears. Dude, don't tell me we're not made from people. I mean, monkeys. Check that out. Look at their ears. Oh, yeah, look at that. What's that?
Looks like he has green lips.
Look at her hands up her butt.
What is she doing?
Aww. Look at that. You guys PT. Look at guys, PT. So darn cute.
All right, I think 5 minutes is enough of this monkey.